Okay, long division, dividing by 2. For this one, we're going to need the 2 time tables from 0 to 9. So let's first create those. So 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. Then there's 10, 12, 14, 16, and then 18. Okay, now let's use these here. So for the 2 time tables, all right, so the closest thing to 6 in the 2 time tables is actually 6, and the multiplier is 3. So we'll put 6 below and 3 above. 6 below here and 3 above there. Your multipliers go on top. So we're going to subtract 6 from 6, leaves 0, and now we're going to bring down our 7. And we'll look for the closest thing to 7 in the 2 time tables, which will be the product 6. And the multiplier is 3. So 6 will go below and 3 will go above. 6 below, and then your multiplier 3 above. Okay, now let's subtract these. We get 1. And now we bring down the 3. So now we have 13. The closest thing to 13 in the 6 time tables is actually 12. And the multiplier is 6. So put 12 below and 6 above. So 12 below and then 6 above. Now let's subtract. 12 from 13 leaves 1. And now we're going to bring down the 8. Now, the closest thing to 18 in the 2 time tables is actually 18 with a multiplier of 9. So we're going to put 18 below and then 9 above. So 18 will go below and then 9 will go above. Now let's subtract, and our remainder is 0. So our answer is 3,369. That tells us that 2 times 3,369 will give us 6,738. Now let's move to the 6's. We're going to divide by 6, so we need our 6 time tables from 0 to 9. So let's start off with the first one here. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 5, 30. 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 7, 42. 6 times 8, 48. 6 times 9, 54. Okay, now let's go back and we'll find the closest thing to 5 in the 6 time tables. The closest thing to 5 in the 6 time tables is actually 0, the multiplier of 0. So we'll put 0 below and 0 above. 0 below and 0 above. Now we'll subtract and we get 5 and we bring down the 9. So now let's find the closest thing to a 59 in the 6 time tables. The closest thing to a 59 is actually the 54, where the multiplier is 9. So we can put 54 below and 9 above. So 54 below here, and then we'll put 9 above. And now subtracting, we end up with a 5. And now it's time to bring down the 2. Okay, so we're now looking for the closest thing to 52 in the 6 time tables. Well, the closest thing to a 52 would be a 48 right here. And the multiplier is 8. So we'll put 48 below and 8 above. 48 below and then 8 above. All right, let's subtract. Now, 48 subtracted from 52. So let's find out how far to go from 48 to 52. So 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. So they're 4 away. So it'll be 4. And now we'll bring down the 2 and look for the closest thing to 42 in the 6 time tables, which is 42 right here. And the multiplier is 7. So we'll put 42 below and 7 above. 42 below and then 7 above. Okay, Now that we have these two, we're going to subtract 42 minus 42 gives us 0. And so our answer is 987.